Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring OneDrive is running and fully synced so nothing gets lost. This prevents conflicts. Once done, close any apps using Files and Pause Sync to avoid mid-transfer changes. Next, pick the new folder path on the local drive for speed or external for storage, because location affects access and backup. Make sure the target has enough free space and note the folder name exactly, as OneDrive links by path and will re-establish syncing from that location. You will unlink the PC from OneDrive first to break the current path. This doesn't delete cloud files. Once unlinked, move your OneDrive folder contents to the chosen target using File Explorer. Copy then verify before deleting the original. After the move, sign back into OneDrive and when prompted, point OneDrive to the new folder path so it reassociates the local files with the cloud. This step ensures OneDrive recognizes the new location and avoids duplicating downloads. Finish by letting OneDrive fully sync and watching for green checkmarks on all files. That confirms the cloud and local folder match. If you see conflicts or duplicate files, pause and compare local versus cloud copies before overwriting to prevent data loss. If syncing stalls or errors persist, restart the OneDrive client, sign out and back in, or use the built-in reset command to refresh settings. If problems continue, check permissions on the new folder and ensure no other app blocks access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.